Smart Actuator. For you, what does that mean? A comprehensive application library in the cloud and clearly defined interfaces, BACnet, Modbus, MQTT, enable a digital building. Straightforward plug-in system solution for easy installation. Easy commissioning with the mobile app, 3-in-1. Valve actuator, controller and cloud integration for autonomous control of heating and air conditioning. Predictive maintenance for safer and more reliable operation. Smart Actuator, the solution for numerous challenges. From SAUTER.